Babaan ko dong, bababa ko para makita sa ano.
Going on the first maneuver. 45-degree climb. Now. Second maneuver, split test. Now. Third maneuver, stall turn sa dulo. Fourth maneuver, roll. Now. Fifth maneuver, humpy-dumpy. Now. Sixth maneuver, loop. Now. Seventh maneuver, shark tooth. Now. Eighth maneuver, reverse half cubanate. Now. Nine maneuver, vertical climb with half roll sa dulo. Now. Last maneuver, 2 turns, spin. Exit, land.
Okay.
Dapat pala may mga now, para lang natin yung pag. Dapat pala, meron nga na,